Hello everyone, I am Sandeep Sinha, CEO of TAFE Group. I'm here to announce the participation of TMTL and TAFE Power in the Bauma 2024. These are very exciting times for us, for both the brands, the TMTL engine brand, under which we sell our products to the Indian market, and the TAFE Power brand, which is our global brand, and we serve customers in 24 other countries outside India. TAFE has had a rich history of 65 years of manufacturing, design and development of diesel engines, and of course we have continued to expand our application engineering understanding and therefore offering products like not just gensets but also mobile lighting towers and our e-gensets. So a lot of new products in Bauma that we will showcase. We will also show you our CPCB4 plus range of products, which probably the most highly emissionized products anywhere in the world. And we would welcome you to join us in our journey at Bauma 2024. Thank you.